Hey everyone, it's with Farris, Tarazi, Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Kingling Court. If you're looking for an excellent priced home that offers 4 bedrooms, single story, a 3-car garage, and sits on a quiet cul-de-sac, then this may be for you. With a little bit of paint and new carpet, you could turn this into your beautiful new home. The spacious kitchen offers plenty of cabinetry, soaring ceilings, and a center island. Relax in your private backyard that offers a covered patio with vaulted ceilings and block walls all around, plenty of grass. Thank you so much for this tour of Kingling Court. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.